This was a comment to a comment on one of my videos that someone had said that their, I think, grandmother had put them on their deed or had deeded the house to them. A, does it need to go to probate? And B, can the other family members that got cut out contest it? And this person responds, you will get the house. You are named in the deed. They can't contest it. It's not a will. Her asset with you as the, it's an asset with you as the owner. So, yes, kind of. So let's start with anything legally can be contested if someone gets their proverbial panties in a wad. So what happens is there can be several contests on a deed. One is obviously fraud, coercion, undue influence. There's a lot of arguably the same types of challenges to a will or a trust can be levied against any legal document. If the person had dementia and it was documented that they did not have legal capacity and they signed their own deed, well, certainly that can be challenged. If the deed was signed by the person receiving or getting their name put on the deed, if they were a power of attorney for grandma and they signed the deed for grandma, adding themselves to the deed, and it really wasn't grandma's intention, then they have breached their fiduciary duty. They've engaged in self-dealing, and the other would-be beneficiaries that got cut out of the transaction because this person may, I say may, had committed fraud by, stealing the property and using their power of attorney for something that it was not intended to be used for. All of those can be challenged, but generally speaking, this person is right. It's not a will, so it would not go through probate, but it would be a civil lawsuit for either breach of fiduciary, self-dealing, fraud, coercion, undue influence, something like that. So it can be challenged. Just remember, scumbucket lawyers are everywhere, and you find one that's hungry enough, and they'll take a case if they think there may be a payday in it. So can be challenged, not as often maybe as a will, but I've seen it, and I've seen these transactions undone because of several legitimate reasons. Hope this helps. Have a great day.